Hey guys, so on today's video, I'm going to do an everyday makeup look. But before we get started, my name is Alejandra. And if you guys are new to this channel, on this channel, I bring to you guys products to simplify your beauty routine or solve any beauty concerns. So if you guys are a product junkie, just like I am, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. I have been loving this. This is one of the things that my friend got me from Lush. This is the Honey Trap Lip Balm. Just so that my lips don't look dry, I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on my eyelids so that I prep them for eyeshadow. I'm just going to do an eye look with this. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take my Morphe M505 brush and I'm going to dip it into this color right here next to the yellow. I'm going to place this on my crease and just blow that out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild crease blending brush, I believe this is called. I'm going to go in with a slightly darker color, and it's going to be this one right here next to the first color that we used, just to deepen this crease area, but not blowing it out as much as we did with the first color. Once we have that down, I'm going to dip my finger into this first color right here, and that's going to go on the eyelid. And I blend it up a little bit so that there's no naked skin left without eyeshadow, so I just move it up a little bit, kind of blend it up to the eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to use this dark black eyeshadow for my eyeliner. So taking my rose water spray, just spraying that brush, getting it really damp, and then just dipping it into this black eyeshadow right here, making sure I get it on both sides. Alright, so I'm going to prime my face with this. This is the Grease Lightning Tea Tree and Aloe Gel. This has been really good for, like, as a primer. It's meant to mattify your face and also kind of help you with problematic areas where, you know, like you have pimples or anything like that. I had a humongous pimple here the other day and you could probably still see it. But I was really surprised at how the product dried out the pimple and made it go away faster than it normally would. So I really like this product. So a little bit on the nose area and then a little bit on my forehead area, in between my brows, and then I'll bring the rest of it down here. So this is Grease Lightning from Lush. It's really good if you guys have oily skin, acne prone skin. It's really good. Alright, so I'm going to take the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. This is in the shade 8 Golden Neutral. I'm going to go ahead and put this all over. Honestly, if this foundation would have came out after the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, I would honestly think a lot of people would be saying that this is a dupe. This came out a couple years ago, but this foundation is really, really nice on my oily skin. I feel like it's full coverage and it does last a while, and it's not that expensive for it to be high end. I think it's in the $30 range, maybe even $27. But I really do like this foundation. And I'm blending this in with my Sonia Kashuk marble sponge. Now that that's in, I'm going to go in with the Superstay Better Skin Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to apply this underneath my eye. Blend that away, and then I'll do the other eye. I really like this shade, medium, because I feel like it doesn't make my under eyes look extremely bright under there, but it does do some brightening. So I think it's like the perfect shade for my skin tone. And do the other eye. So for underneath the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use the banana powder from Ben Nye, and this is just going to set the under eye concealer so it doesn't crease as much throughout the day. And it makes your under eyes look a lot smoother, and it sets that concealer into your skin. For the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the NYX No Filter powder, and this is, I believe, in the color medium olive or olive medium. I'm going to take this Juno and Co brush and just set everything else with this powder. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzing powder, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with, ooh, I dropped my brush. I'm going to go in with the Sonia Kashuk blush brush. A little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the nose. Alright, going in with the Essence Satin Blush Touch. This is in the color Satin Coral. It's just a very nice corally pinky shade. I don't think it has any shimmer, so if you guys don't like shimmer, this is a really nice blush. It's, I think, $2 or $2.99 at Ulta. And to finish off with highlight, I am taking the Morphe M500 brush, and I'm going to use the Day Glow from Milani. This is one of my favorite highlighting powders. And just sweep it across the high points of the cheeks. I'm going to top my lashes with the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. Alright, for lips, I'm going to go in with this little guy right here. This is from Bite Beauty with one of their sample sizes. This is in the color Chai. It's just a very nice, everyday, neutral tone. Kind of like your lips, but better. And this is it for today's look. This is one of my everyday makeup looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.